Before I teach you how you can control the number of vertices present in your perfect sphere, perfect on quote unquote, I'm going to show you why you want to learn this. For example, you are doing a pill for a medicine, right? You got yourself a cylinder with, for example, 24 vertices. Okay, you just need its extremes to be like half a sphere, right? And you want a perfect sphere for good topology and geometry. And then you just go on and follow what you've learned. Grab yourself a cube and just subdivide it. But in with his, you get yourself into another problem. This is a 16 vertices sphere, and this one is 32. How can you get it down to 24? Let me just see, 24, and in here, if I apply, this is 32, right? And this one is 16. So you can't mix them together. What you do instead is create a cube again, but hear me out. You grab yourself a calculator. Think I want 24 vertices. So this the number you want. Take out 4. These 4 are the 4 that are already present on the cube. And now divide by 4 again, and that's 5. This value, you are going to use it on the loop cut. You just go here and do 5 cuts on the X, on the Y, and on the Z axis, and now you just select all, go on mesh, transform to sphere, slide it all the way to the end to get a perfect sphere, and now you get a 24 vertices perfect sphere. Everything squads, it's nice and um, roundy and equal. Every side is similar. This one is even good for OV unwrapping because you can use it as if it were a cube, because in the beginning it was a cube, so you don't have problems with textures as well. And now you just go and, for example, to finish our demonstration, just wrong button, just do the medicine you were doing. Just go here and oh, apply those scales. Let me just do this, and for this one do this. As you can see, they don't mix it perfectly. You will have to do some post work, but I'm almost certainly this is better than working with the subdivision method. Well, for our example was this is uphill, you can just delete this, join these two, set the origin to the middle, bounding box, and you just grab yourself and do a nice medicine pill. And would you look at that? It's working just fine with a amazing topology. You can even do a sub D now, and it's going to maintain the overall shape and the squares. And that's it. If you found this tutorial useful, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. and thank you for watching.